Have you ever wondered why some of the richest people seem to live like ordinary folks? It seems contradictory, doesn't it? But that's exactly what makes them so successful. The quiet rich have discovered secrets that go far beyond just making money. They know how to preserve and grow their wealth while living discreetly. In this video, we're going to uncover the biggest secrets of these wealthy individuals who prefer to go unnoticed. Get ready to learn strategies that can transform your financial life and make you rethink the way you view money. Curious to know how to apply these secrets in your life? Then let's dive deep and explore each of these secrets right now. You know those rich people who go unnoticed? Well, they have understood the secret of living modestly. Instead of splurging on luxury cars or extravagant mansions, they prefer simplicity. Imagine driving a car that, while not the most eye-catching, is reliable and economical. They know that spending less on material goods can result in more money for future investments. This is not about deprivation, but about financial intelligence. So how about rethinking your priorities and considering living below your means? These individuals know that the key to making money and building wealth lies in valuing the long term. Instead of giving in to instant gratification, they prioritize financial stability. Living modestly doesn't mean giving up comfort. Think of a home that meets your needs without being excessive. You don't need a mansion to be happy. Often, a cozy and functional home is more than enough. The secret of the wealthy lies in their ability to recognize what truly matters. Their spending habits are also meticulously planned. They prefer to spend on experiences that enrich their lives rather than luxury items that only impress superficially. Cultural trips, enhancement courses, and hobbies that bring personal satisfaction are some of the common choices. These quiet rich people show that it's possible to have a full and meaningful life without spending a fortune. By adopting this mindset, you start to realize that true wealth lies in the quality of life, not in the price of things. And of course, this leads us to an important reflection. How can we apply these principles in our daily lives? Start by reviewing your expenses and identifying areas where you can save without sacrificing quality of life. Perhaps it's time to trade that expensive car for a more economical model, or reconsider the need for the latest generation smartphones. Remember, the secret of the wealthy is in living well, spending less, and investing wisely. Speaking of investments, let's explore how they do this right now. The quiet wealthy know that making money goes beyond just saving. It's about investing wisely. They adopt a strategic approach, diversifying their portfolios to minimize risks and maximize returns. Investing in real estate, for example, is a popular choice. A well-located apartment can appreciate over time and also generate passive income through rentals. Additionally, they invest in stocks and bonds, spreading their investments across various areas to ensure financial stability. But how to do this in practice? It's essential to have a basic understanding of the different types of investments available. Real estate is a solid option but requires significant initial capital. Stocks, on the other hand, can be acquired with smaller amounts and, with patience, can yield good returns. Consider shares of established companies like Apple or Google, which have a history of steady growth. For those who prefer less volatility, government or large-cap corporate bonds may be the ideal choice. They offer more stable and predictable returns. Another strategy is investing in mutual funds or ETFs, which allow diversification even with limited funds. These instruments pool money from various investors to purchase a variety of assets, providing exposure to different markets. This not only dilutes risk, but can also offer good returns over time. If you are starting, it is an excellent way to enter the world of investments without needing to understand all the technical details of each type of asset. Remember, the key is to diversify your investment portfolio and maintain a long-term perspective. Never put all your eggs in one basket. Finally, it is essential to keep learning and adapting to market changes. The quiet wealthy never stop seeking knowledge. Reading books on investments, following finance blogs, and attending seminars are effective ways to stay updated. Authors like Benjamin Graham and Peter Lynch are highly recommended. Additionally, investment apps can help monitor your portfolio and identify new opportunities. Since you've learned that investing wisely is very important, let's understand how to avoid debt and use leverage wisely for a solid financial life. The quiet wealthy understand that avoiding debt is fundamental to building a financial foundation. They avoid high-interest debts like credit cards and personal loans that can quickly spiral out of control. Instead, they use leverage strategically for income-generating investments, such as real estate. The idea is that any debt incurred should have the potential to pay for itself and still generate profit. Imagine buying a property with a loan, and once rented out, it not only covers the loan payments, but also provides extra income. This is financial intelligence. Avoiding debt doesn't mean never using credit, but rather using it consciously. For example, a line of credit to renovate a property can significantly increase its market value, or perhaps a business loan to expand a profitable venture. The key is to ensure that the return on this investment is greater than the interest paid. Thus, debt becomes a tool to make money, not a burden. Think about this the next time you consider taking a loan. Is it helping you make money or just satisfying an immediate need? Moreover, the wealthy also maintain a robust emergency fund. This fund is essential to avoid the need to incur debt in unforeseen situations. Imagine having an amount saved that covers your expenses for 6 months. This provides incredible peace of mind. If the car breaks down or an investment opportunity arises, you are prepared. Keeping an emergency fund is one of the secrets of the wealthy that anyone can adopt. Start by saving a small amount each month, and over time, this fund will grow. And for those who already have debts, the priority is to eliminate them. Pay off the high-interest ones first while maintaining the minimum payments on the lower-interest ones. Consider negotiating with banks to reduce interest rates or extend payment terms. Each debt paid off is another step towards financial freedom. Another fundamental point is investing in learning. The wealthy know that continuous learning is one of the most valuable investments they can make. They understand that to make money and stay on top, it is essential to always be updated and seek improvement. This doesn't just mean attending traditional schools, but rather being attentive to market trends and seeking knowledge that adds value. Reading books, attending lectures, and taking online courses are some ways to stay informed. Think of titles like The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham or Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Must-reads for anyone who wants to understand more about finance and investments. Education is not limited to books. Attending seminars and workshops is also important. These events offer the opportunity to learn directly from experts and exchange experiences with others interested in making money and investing. Imagine attending a seminar on real estate investments where you can learn advanced property buying and selling strategies, or an entrepreneurship workshop that teaches practical techniques to expand your business. These environments are rich in knowledge and networking, providing dynamic and practical learning. In addition to seeking technical knowledge, the quiet wealthy invest in personal skills. They understand that skills such as leadership, negotiation, and communication are fundamental to success. Personal development courses can make a significant difference. Think about how a public speaking course can improve your ability to sell your ideas, or how a leadership program can prepare you to take on prominent positions. Developing these skills can open doors and create opportunities that previously seemed inaccessible. Continuous learning also involves being attentive to changes and innovations. Technologies, new methodologies, and economic trends are areas that deserve attention. Subscriptions to specialized magazines, finance podcasts, and YouTube channels like this one dedicated to the financial market and personal development are excellent sources of information. The key is to stay curious and never stop learning. And this brings us to the next crucial point: the importance of building strong support networks. The wealthy understand that no one achieves success alone. Building strong support networks is essential to making money and staying on top. These networks consist of like-minded individuals who offer opportunities for collaboration, advice, and support. Imagine having a circle of friends and business partners who share your goals and values. These relationships can open doors to new opportunities and provide valuable insights. As they say, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. To build these networks, it is important to be proactive. Attending networking events, joining professional associations, and going to conferences are some ways to meet influential people. Additionally, online platforms like LinkedIn are powerful tools for connecting with professionals in your industry. Sending personalized messages and showing genuine interest in others' work can be the start of fruitful partnerships. Remember, the secret of the wealthy is always being surrounded by people who can add value to their journey. Maintaining these connections also requires continuous effort. Keeping regular contact, offering help, and being available are actions that strengthen any relationship. For example, sending an interesting article or a business opportunity to a contact can demonstrate your interest and care. Small gestures like these create stronger and more lasting bonds. Reciprocity is key. By helping others, you also position yourself as a reliable and valuable person, increasing the chances of receiving support when needed. Building strong networks also involves knowing whom to avoid. Negative people or those who drain your energy can be detrimental to your growth. The quiet wealthy are selective about whom they associate with, prioritizing relationships that bring mutual benefits. Evaluate your social and professional circle and make conscious decisions about where to invest your time and energy. Now that we understand the importance of strong networks, let's explore how the quiet wealthy practice philanthropy to their advantage. The quiet wealthy have a deep commitment to giving back to their communities, but they do so in a discreet and modest manner. They understand that the true act of generosity doesn't need the spotlight. Often, they make anonymous donations or create private foundations to support important causes. Imagine the satisfaction of knowing you are making a difference in people's lives without the need for public recognition. This is one of the secrets of the wealthy that shows how humility and generosity can go hand in hand. Silent philanthropy allows these individuals to maintain their low profile while still contributing significantly to society. They choose causes that truly matter to them, from education to healthcare and support projects that generate real impact. For example, some may fund scholarships for underprivileged students, while others invest in life-saving medical research. The careful choice of where to allocate their money ensures that every cent donated is used efficiently and effectively. For those who wish to follow this example, there are many ways to practice silent philanthropy. You can start with small donations to local charities or volunteer your time and skills. If you prefer, you can also establish a donor-advised fund that allows regular contributions to causes you care about. The important thing is to act with intention and an open heart, knowing that every act of kindness counts. Silent philanthropy is not just about money, but about making a meaningful and authentic difference. The personal satisfaction that comes from helping others is incomparable, and often, the benefits return in unexpected ways. By supporting your community, you strengthen social ties and create a more prosperous and healthy environment for everyone. Additionally, silent philanthropy can inspire others to do the same, creating a ripple effect of generosity. Now that you understand the importance of giving back quietly, you'll realize that the wealthy are masters of long-term financial planning. They understand that building and preserving wealth requires a clear and strategic vision for the future. Part of this planning involves creating a lasting legacy that benefits not only themselves, but also their families and future generations. To achieve this, they invest in estate planning, creating trusts and other legal structures that ensure the continuity of their wealth. Think of families that have maintained their prosperity for decades, like the Rockefellers or the Rothschilds. They did not leave the future to chance. Planning for the financial future begins with setting clear objectives. These goals can range from buying a home, funding children's education, to ensuring a comfortable retirement. To achieve these goals, the quiet wealthy develop detailed strategies that include diversifying investments, building savings, and minimizing risks. A practical example is creating a robust retirement plan that involves different types of investments, such as stocks, real estate, and pension funds. This diversification helps protect their assets against market fluctuations. Creating trusts is another common strategy among the quiet wealthy. These trusts not only protect the assets, but also facilitate the orderly and efficient transfer of wealth to heirs, avoiding family disputes and legal issues. They hire lawyers and financial advisors to ensure everything complies with the law and that the founder's wishes are respected. Additionally, trusts can include specific clauses that encourage heirs to continue investing in education and personal growth, perpetuating the cycle of prosperity. Finally, these individuals maintain rigorous discipline in monitoring their plans. They regularly review their financial strategies, adjusting them as necessary to adapt to economic and personal changes. They understand that financial planning is not a one-time event, but a continuous process. This ensures that their finances are always aligned with their goals and that they are prepared for any eventuality. Furthermore, the wealthy are experts at maintaining a low profile. They understand that privacy is a precious asset and take great care to protect their identity and assets from prying eyes. To achieve this, they use legal structures such as shell companies and trusts that help conceal the true extent of their wealth. This not only protects their assets from potential threats, but also maintains tranquility in their personal lives. Imagine living without the constant pressure of public attention, being able to enjoy your wealth in a serene and secure manner. Avoiding public displays of wealth is a common practice among these individuals. Instead of flaunting luxury goods, they prefer a more reserved lifestyle. This doesn't mean they don't appreciate comfort, but rather they choose discretion. Luxury cars and branded clothes are not priorities. The preference is for quality items that don't draw attention. For example, a quiet, wealthy person might opt for a discreet luxury car without flashy emblems that offers comfort and safety without attracting looks. Simplicity is a strategic choice. For those who wish to adopt this approach, it's important to focus on quality rather than ostentation. Investing in items that offer durability and value instead of brands that serve only to impress others is a good start. Think of an elegant and functional watch instead of a diamond-studded model, or in a comfortable and well-located house instead of an extravagant mansion. These details make a difference and help maintain privacy without sacrificing comfort. Maintaining confidentiality about their assets and investments is another essential practice. Avoiding sharing financial details with people outside their inner circle is a security measure. They also rely on trusted financial advisors who understand the importance of discretion. This network of trust ensures that their sensitive information is protected. With a low profile, they can enjoy their achievements without unwanted interference. And finally, we arrive at one of the most important points about the quiet wealthy. They know that true wealth goes beyond money. It involves maintaining a balanced lifestyle that promotes health and happiness. They understand that to fully enjoy their financial achievements, it is essential to take care of their physical and mental well-being. This means adopting healthy habits, such as a balanced diet, regular exercise, and leisure time. Imagine a typical day that includes a morning yoga session, a walk in the park, and nutritious meals. These small daily care routines contribute to a longer and more satisfying life. The importance of balance is also reflected in the time they dedicate to family and friends. They value the quality of personal relationships and make sure to be present at important moments. Attending family dinners, weekend trips, and recreational activities strengthen emotional bonds and provide emotional support. Contrary to popular belief, they don't live to work but work to live well. This balance is essential to maintaining a sane mind and a happy heart, creating an environment conducive to prosperity. Additionally, the quiet wealthy seek activities that promote relaxation and stress reduction. Practices such as meditation, artistic hobbies, and travel are common in their routines. Imagine spending an afternoon painting or reading a good book, or exploring new destinations that bring enriching experiences. These activities not only provide pleasure, but also help disconnect from daily pressures. The key is to find what brings joy and make it a regular priority in life. They also understand that mental health is just as important as physical health. Many invest in therapies and coaching sessions to keep their minds clear and focused. Taking care of mental health is essential for making sound financial decisions and facing challenges with resilience. Having a space to talk about concerns and emotions helps maintain healthy emotional balance. Now that you've discovered the secrets of the quiet wealthy, it's time to put all this into practice. So, are you ready to change your life? Start applying these secrets today. What will be your first step? Will you review your finances, invest in education, or perhaps strengthen your support networks? Leave your ideas in the comments and share your experiences. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate notifications to continue learning more about achieving financial success and living a full and balanced life. Now on your screen, a video is appearing that will surely change your financial mindset. Just click and I'll see you there.